Hello everyone! Today I will be unboxing my SoundLink Revolve from Bose. It's a 360 degree sounding Bluetooth speaker that I think I will have some fun with this summer. So let's get into it, shall we? Some nice pictures here of the speaker, and we have here 360 sound. It's water resistant. I think it's IPX4 if I'm not mistaken. Can take calls with it, and it's 12 hours of battery per charge. So let's open the box, shall we? Okay. There it is. So I guess this has some radiators, I think, at the sides here, and it also has the downward. My neighbors love them. And downward facing transducer and 360 degrees acoustic deflector. So there you have it. You should remove this sticker. Okay, let's see what's inside, shall we? Instructions, or not instructions, warnings, so you don't kill yourself while using it. Here's the instructions. How you charge it, how you connect it, yeah, all the regular stuff. And same here, not much to. Oh, it's an adapter. Yeah, okay. Charger. Okay, so yeah, it works for Europe. Yeah. USB micro cable. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah. That's about it. Nice. So there you have it. Bose SoundLink Revolve. It's a beautiful speaker. Feels nice. Great quality. And I guess it will sound nice too. We will see that in just a minute. Yeah, guess that's it. And you will enjoy a tune played from this speaker just about now. So I hope you enjoyed it, and See you in the next video. Bye bye guys and girls.